one went the opposite way, right?
Yeah, that's what
It's fine. It's fine.
What inspiration will you give me, I wonder?
Everybody should be
Welcome to Sugar Riot's Gallery of Glamour!
I think if with our kill time, if I pot on ads, I won't get it back for the rest of the time.
What's your favorite color?
8-minute pot. 9-minute? Because ads is at like 4 something.
You can put in your 1 minute with your phone.
Yeah, yeah. Like, you do one. Like,
An image comes to me. I hope you like it hot and sandy.
Goodness! The rain has become desert!
When I think desert, I think of these prickly fellows.
It's a veritable storm of needles!
debuffs out after this next set.
There's something missing. Oh, I know.
I drink
That? You don't want to get caught in that!
What do you think of this?
yourself. How do you say? How do you say? How do you say?
Pudding alone gets awfully dull, don't you think?
A transformative piece! The Fiend has been completely remade!
Mention. Careful. Gemma. Watch out for the cat.
Wait, why?
Kill it.
Get ready for the cat. Jabba now. Get ready for the cat. Oh, watch out for the cat.
Burning soon.
He's using nothing. Cat. Watch out for cat.
Inbound out in 3 seconds.
The range can go on the cat.
I'm
Next
mid.
cat.
Coming in. Stop for the... Bringing in some.
Oh, I got Dropsy.
Still the last end.
What do you say to a refreshing river?
Shit looks like AI art.
Crystal clear river.
Watching this.
Back.
Six.
Watch for the arrow.
I'm running here up. I'll do.
Up here, M.
This is no good.
Seal.
Stack up, fight.
Catch a downpour.
When you on the bus, just from Princess will move.
Move.
Oh no! Oh no! I don't
I
have.
don't have
Sorry.
Clockwise.
It's fine. You don't need me.
Clockwise again. Clockwise again.
They're back on our feet. Let's see if they can stay standing.
Oh no.
Counter.
Yeah.
Against Swift. Oh, you got it.
Needs more
I got the thing. Good. Cows. For the island. DPS as much as you
my
can.
imagination. My tears barely erupt.
Get ready to move out when the car shows.
Lava is ravaging the ring. Talk about destructive
Go out,
creativity.
healers go out.
Proteins.
Kill it.
Waiting outside.
Wait.
Twister.
Go.
Move.
Good job. Wings. Watching the orientation.
Play safe, please. Counter.
Respect it.
I'm going to one. 3.
Melee north to south.
Go.
That side. There we go.
A storm with an ironclad defense.
Red white.
Red white, I got Zuzi.
Just yourself.
Provoke.
Everyone in the middle.
Spread.
Spread.
Yola
Spread away.
Yola spread. Use eyes.
Thanks.
I've got
Thanks. On the butt. Party on the butt.
Okay, I'm putting on it.
Pots if you haven't. First mechanic again.
I got Veil and I got Veil.
Good over a minute.
Okay. 1, 2. Here's.
What to do?
Starting at 4. Good. You did!
Kill it!
Fair.
Yes, just respect it, do the mechanic. Let's go!
Oh my god,
GG,
bro.
guys.
What a fight.
Fuck this shit, man.
My bad, guys.
Like this shit, man! Ah, that's funny. It's funny as hell.
Alright. We're sticking to the pro that we set out.
My bad, guys. I'm directionally challenged.